welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another vlog. So guys, in today's episode, it's gonna be a good one. We are actually going to the Get Ratchet meet. Now, this is not your typical car meet. Your typical car meet, what are the first rules? No burnouts, no drifting, no revving, right? Well, guess what, guys? This complete opposite of that. Actually, it's encouraged, and yeah, there won't be any trouble from the cops because it is privately owned land. So we got the Skyline here all polished up and ready to go. The Subaru is so dirty, but we're taking the Skyline anyway, doesn't matter. She was all dirty from that rain we had in the last video. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll post a link probably up here somewhere. You can always check that video out. It's gonna be pretty awesome. I'm not gonna spend too much time talking about it. Let's just get over there. It's gonna be a crazy night. And yeah, let's go. I'll see you guys over there. So I think yesterday in all that rain, I blew a fuse or something because I'm driving along and yeah, the fan, it's not just that the AC doesn't work. The fan, nothing turns on. Also, the rear defoggers do not turn on either. So I definitely think I blew a fuse. The radio still works, but yeah, all that rain must have gotten up and done something because it was working perfectly fine yesterday. So, all right, guys, so we made it over here early before everybody else rolls in. So we're gonna check out stuff real quick. There was also a mechanical bull here for a reason, just because, you know, it was a mechanical bull here. But that NSX though, you guys remember this from the last video. Maybe I'm too obsessed with this myself, but dang. Here's the drift pit where we're gonna get a lot of drifting later. Without further ado, we'll catch up with you guys when the action actually starts. Got a JDM right-hand drive Celica. You don't see too many of these being imported. It's gonna pop the hood for us, I guess. That thing's clean.
Yeah. Try to keep it as stock as possible.
Damn, look, that thing's way bigger than mine, man. That turbo. I'm a little bit jealous.
3S GTE.
Dude, I was looking at the inside too. It's like super mint. Everybody's kind of already starting to roll in over that direction. We got the drift squad over here that's going to be laying down some rubber in a little bit. Big Wang gang. Overall, starting to fill in. We're getting there, people. We're getting there. Oh yeah, GTR just showed up casually. This is what happens when you show up late.
I was here like at 3.
Sucks for you. You could say it's getting fairly crowded. Fairly crowded now. These are super clean though. Check out both of those. I can dig it. Shit's getting legit over here, guys. We got a cotton candy machine. Cotton candy. What other kind of car meet has not only cotton candy, Chris, supra suspects right here, and a mechanical bull? None. So now it's pretty packed. Now there's the empanada truck over that direction, so we're going to be getting a fruit vlog in just a little bit. We're going to check out some drifting first and then a fruit vlog, but I don't know, fruit vlog sounds good. Also, mechanical bull. Everybody out! Now we got Kyle with the R34. He's gonna do some stuff for us, I guess. think a challenge has been issued. Alright, challenge has been issued. So Chris is gonna get in the Supra and show him what's up, I guess. Alright, it's gonna be bad. Back here. No, this is gonna be bad. Hold on, let me get my legs out of the way. You didn't see that guy over there shit his pants. Oh my god. By the way, I'm now completely deaf. Mainly in this ear. This ear might be okay. The camera mic probably isn't even working right now, so hopefully it's working right now. It literally looks like there's something straight up just on fire in this whole vicinity over that way. Yeah. Oh my god! Put him in showcase. As a kid. I thought it was good. Oh my god. All these people that are parked across the street, they're all getting towed. Sucks. Sucks. It is a full house though. Definitely a full house. The fuck? Hey! I know. Just got hit. Shit. Yeah, he's a driver. I just watched this Is he okay? It's a lot. Damn. Oh, you were right there. Yeah, it looks like got too far sideways and just got him. Damn.
All right, guys, hey, back up. Let's move.
It's crazy. It's got the tires and everything. That, ladies and gentlemen, is why you have to sign a waiver in order to get in here. A lot of stuff. Oh man, already starting that. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie, I was about to get you know, those empanadas like I promised you guys for the food vlog, but it's a bit too long of a line for me. One tire fire. One tire fire. That's a little sketch, a little sketch. Boy! It's a wrap. Hold it.
Fuck always. You are the supercar suspects.
He's shouting out on his own channel. This is what happens when the Super 2 steps. That's what goes down. Yeah.
Where the exit is over here.
There's a gate right there.
Oh, hey.
What's up, fam?
Hey, we out here. What's going on?
Let's check it. Let's check it.
Oh, you wanna
Let's
see
check.
it?
I don't want to shake your hand. I want to see what you got for me.
All right. Got you.
Oh yeah, that's legit. It's legit.
Came
yeah.
through.
Came through. Came through. Like there is people legitimately fighting to try to get into this meet on the other side of this fence. This is how packed it is. Pure mayhem. Look at this thing.
I thought it was a skyline at first.
No, it wasn't Evo. Damn. This thing is super clean. Well, everybody, it cleared out just a little bit because we had just had a massive downpour. So I think this is an effective time to end this vlog, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like squad, don't forget to smash that like button. And I appreciate you guys all for watching, and yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.